5 extraordinary delicious diets from all over the world. You've never lost so easily the extra pounds. And at the end of the video, there's going to be a recipe of dessert that can help you to diminish your waist in a week. Italian diet for the fans of flour meal. Using this diet, you can lose up to 8 kilograms if you will eat pizza. But there are nuances. Dressing from fresh tomatoes, a thin dough from whole grain flour, filling, a variety of vegetables, mushrooms, fish pieces, seafood, chicken, and do not forget about herbs and spices. You can eat up to 8 pieces a day. The Israeli diet for those who are not used to limit themselves. Using this diet, you will lose up to 7 kilograms. There is no limit, but eat only vegetables, fruits, cereals, lean meat, and fish. Everything that is created by nature. All industrial products. Any fast food, starting from bakery products and ending with meat semi-finished products, fall under the ban. Spanish diet for gourmets. By sticking to this diet, you can lose up to 6 kilograms. Just start the day with a jamon. It is not deposited on your sides and lowers cholesterol. And finish the day with a glass of wine. For women, 1 glass. For men, 2. There are no restrictions on food, but the diet should be varied, and portions should be small. The American diet is indispensable on a hot day. This diet will help to reduce the stomach and get rid of the bulging belly. You can eat 4 to 5 portions of ice cream a day. Ice cream should be natural. If it's possible, cook it yourself. This diet can last no more than 3 to 4 days. Ukrainian diet for fans of desserts. You will get a wasp waist if you eat this dessert for breakfast and dinner. Cut 1 apple, 3 slices of pineapple, and 1 kiwi. Scrub the fresh ginger root and mix with freshly ground cinnamon in a 1-to-1 ratio. Lay out the fruit with layers, oiling a thin layer of spices. And for lunch, you can eat 200 grams of chicken, turkey, or seafood and the same quantity of vegetables. We are delighted with the Italian diet. Which diet seems most effective to you? Write us in a comment.